The world is a tapestry woven with countless threads, each representing a life, a story, a struggle, and a triumph. In this intricate fabric, there are those whose threads are frayed, whose colors have faded, and whose voices have been silenced by the weight of their circumstances. It is for these individuals that the Action for Community and Development Network was born. Established in 2015 in Afghanistan, ACDN emerged from a vision that transcends borders and speaks to the fundamental belief that every person, regardless of their background, deserves the opportunity to lead a dignified life. It is a vision that has now taken root in Canada, expanding its reach and influence since 2022. Imagine a world where education is not a privilege, but a right, where healthcare is not a luxury, but a guarantee, where livelihood is not a dream, but a reality. This is the world ACDN strives to create. With a focus on 4 key areas: education, healthcare, livelihood, and empowerment, ACDN is dedicated to uplifting the most vulnerable populations, women, youth, and marginalized groups. These are not just statistics, they are individuals with dreams, aspirations, and the potential to change their own lives and the lives of those around them. ACDN believes in the power of these individuals, and through its initiatives, it seeks to ignite that power. Education is the cornerstone of sustainable development. It is the light that illuminates the path to self-reliance and prosperity. ACDN understands that education is not merely about imparting knowledge. It is about fostering critical thinking, creativity, and resilience. In Afghanistan, ACDN has established schools and training centers that provide quality education to thousands of children, particularly girls who have historically been denied access to learning. This is more than just education. It is a rebellion against the status quo, a declaration that every girl has the right to dream and to achieve those dreams. Healthcare, too, is a fundamental human right. ACDN has witnessed firsthand the devastating effects of inadequate healthcare in underserved communities. The organization has implemented health programs that provide essential medical services, maternal care, and health education. Imagine a mother who once feared for the health of her child, now empowered with knowledge and resources to ensure a healthy future. This is the transformative power of healthcare, and ACDN is at the forefront of making it accessible to those who need it most. Livelihood is about more than just earning a wage. It is about dignity, stability, and the ability to provide for oneself and one's family. ACDN has launched initiatives that equip individuals with the skills and resources necessary to build sustainable livelihoods. From vocational training to microfinance programs, ACDN is creating pathways for economic empowerment. Picture a young man who, with the support of ACDN, has learned a trade and is now able to support his family. This is not just a success story. It is a ripple effect that strengthens entire communities. Empowerment is the thread that ties all these initiatives together. ACDN believes in empowering individuals to take charge of their futures. Through leadership training, community engagement, and advocacy, ACDN fosters an environment where people can voice their needs and aspirations. The organization recognizes that true change comes from within the community, and it is committed to building the capacity of local leaders who can drive that change. This is not charity. This is a partnership, a collaboration that respects the knowledge and experiences of those it serves. Inclusivity is a core value that ACDN holds dear. The organization is dedicated to ensuring that its programs are accessible to all, particularly those who have been marginalized. This means reaching out to women and youth who often face systemic barriers to participation. ACDN is not just a service provider. It is a bridge that connects individuals to opportunities. This commitment to inclusivity is not just about numbers. It is about transforming lives, one person at a time. Sustainability is another guiding principle for ACDN. The organization understands that for change to be lasting, it must be rooted in the community and environmentally conscious. ACDN's projects are designed with a long-term vision, ensuring that they not only address immediate needs, but also lay the groundwork for future growth. This is a holistic approach that recognizes the interconnectedness of social, economic, and environmental factors. Accountability is paramount. ACDN is committed to transparency in its operations, ensuring that resources are used effectively for the benefit of the community. This commitment builds trust and fosters a sense of ownership among community members. When individuals see the impact of their contributions and the integrity of the organization, they are more likely to engage and invest in their own development. Innovation is the heartbeat of ACDN. In a world that is constantly evolving, the organization is dedicated to seeking new and effective ways to address community challenges. This means embracing technology, leveraging data, and adapting to changing circumstances. ACDN is not afraid to think outside the box, to explore new ideas, and to challenge the status quo in pursuit of its mission. Since its inception, ACDN has positively impacted over 450,000 individuals across Afghanistan. Each success story is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the transformative power of community-driven initiatives. ACDN is not just an organization. It is a movement, a call to action for all of us to recognize our shared humanity and to work together towards a brighter future. As we look to the future, let us carry forward the vision of ACDN, a world where every individual has access to the resources, knowledge, and opportunities they need to thrive. Let us remember that change begins with us, that each of us has a role to play in weaving a stronger, more inclusive tapestry of life. Together, we can uplift the underserved, empower the marginalized, and create a legacy of hope and resilience for generations to come.